Good day everyone. Welcome to my channel Journey with Lovely. సర్ప్రైజింగ్ గిఫ్టింగ్ ఐడియాస్ ఈ వీడియోలో చూపిస్తున్నాను. ప్రైజింగ్ డీటెయిల్స్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో మెన్షన్ చేశాను. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు సర్ప్రైజ్ సమ్వన్ స్పెషల్లీ దెన్ చూస్ ద బెస్ట్ ప్రోడక్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Since my hair got cut and dyed, and I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. 'Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I